Today we have a quick do-it-ourselves foot massage routine that you do in the comfort of your own home. Our feet do a lot for us every day, so why not giving them a little bit more attention? Apply a moisturizing lotion, cream or some warm oil, which will help your hands to glide and massage better. We're going to start with rolling a small towel, put it down and place your heel bone on it. Start with some long glides from the top of your foot. Then take the palms of your hands and begin to compress the foot. Grab from the middle of the foot and go outwards. Then you go from the top to the bottom so you get a nice squeeze. From there we're going to take our thumbs right in the middle and start pulling out. Once again, going down the entire length of the foot, stopping right when you reach the heel pad. And one more time, repeating this 3 times normally works the best. From there we're going to move into circles just on the pads of the toes. I'm using my thumb and 2 fingers stacked on top. Follow down and we're going to do the same kind of circles on the heel pad. Coming up again, and we're going to work the middle part of the foot. This is the part which can hurt a bit, but it's a very good area to work if you have tight feet in general. Make sure you massage the middle but also the outsides. Come down to the heel and start with some knuckle circles on the heel pad. The skin on the heel and toe pads is a lot thicker, so it can help to use the knuckles to get a little deeper. Make sure you work on the heel as well, up until the Achilles and all the way around. Don't just stick to the bottom of the foot. Slide away back to the base of the toes and start doing some small circles around the base, and you can even work into the toes, giving them a nice squeeze. Then curl the toes in, press down on your foot and then open up your toes. This gives the toes and the foot a nice inner stretch and helps you longing the muscle. Conclude by grabbing your toes and giving them a nice stretch. You should feel this in the entire length of the foot. Finish off with a few gliding strokes. And how does that feel?